So these are the intro sets, and you know what, intro sets तो हमेशा वही रहते हैं. Cue cards बदलते हैं, follow-ups बदलते हैं, but intro sets are always the same. So I decided I'll touch the intro sets for these two, Wednesdays. And intro sets are very important. I have had students who, after the interview, have told me that, ma'am, intro sets went well, but cue card and follow-ups, they had a slight problem. They still managed to get a 6 or above 6. But if any student has come and told me, ma'am, I was very nervous during the intro sets, but later on I got stabilized and my cue card went well, my follow-ups went well. There I've seldom seen students go above a 6. It's either 5.5 or at the most 6. Okay. So intro sets are very important if you want to score high. You have to, pick up the answer in the correct way. I have taught you formats in one class. Any of you who is not attended my formats class can attend it through the recording. It is going to be very useful for you. I think I've taken 2 or 3 classes of formats in the past year, in this year. So you can, watch all those recordings. You will learn something from each one of them. Okay. So now we'll go to these intro sets, and one by one I'll ask. So the first set of our questions, per set, I'll ask one student and then I'll move on to the next student. Ishween, are you ready? Rupinder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I know your full name?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Rupinder Kaur.
Okay. So now here my tip is that if the examiner asks you your full name and then doesn't throw the next question at you, you've got to keep on speaking till the examiner throws the next question at you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
So my name is Rupinder. You ask me this question now. And don't ask me the second question. Okay? Ask me this question.
What's your full name?
My full name is Kiranpreet Kaur Makkar. Makkar is my surname and Kaur is the community to which I am born. Kiranpreet means a ray of light with love. My mother tells me that the first alphabet of my name was taken from a holy book. And then my grandfather suggested this name. And this name has been my identity for the past 60 years. I am proud of my name. It brings out positive feelings within me. See, you are not throwing the next question and I'm going on and on.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The reason is that you have got only 11 to 14 minutes to tell the examiner that you can speak English. You don't have much time.
Okay, ma'am.
So after saying my name is Rupinder Kaur, don't pause and now, sir, it is your turn. You ask me the next question, then I'll answer. Not like that. Okay.
Okay.
So you should go on and on. Okay. How may I address you? Second question.
You can call me as Rupinder.
Okay. You can call me Rupinder, not as. Okay.
Okay.
May I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
So you have to open the first page of your passport and open and then, show it to the examiner. Open the first page like that. Here is my passport. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Adampur near Jalandhar. It's a very beautiful city. It's famous for Air Force Station. We get all facilities in this city. Moreover, it has a big playground where we can spend our spare time.
Very good. So that's fine. Okay. आपने moreover लगाया, वैसे मैं तो generally बोलूंगी, लगाऊंगी नहीं, और ना ही native speakers ये words ज्यादा बोलते हैं.
Okay.
But यहाँ पे centers बताते हैं कि ऐसे words लगाओ, इनसे band आते हैं. So somehow मैं नहीं इससे convinced हूँ. ये बोलने से ही band आते हैं. मेरे बच्चों के 8 साढ़े 8 भी आए हुए हैं, moreovers तो उन्होंने नहीं बोले. Okay.
Okay.
पता है क्या? हाँ, मतलब वो जैसे हम बोलते हैं अपने होम टाउन के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, मोरओवर इट हैज दिस, मोरओवर इट हैज दिस आल्सो, फिर तो जचता है. हाँ, वैसे नहीं जचता ना. वैसे तो जस्ट ऐसे लगता है कि आपको जैसे पता है कि मोरओवर बोलना है, यहाँ पे लगाना है, उस वे में लगा रहे हो. एम आई राइट? किसी ने बताया हुआ ऐसे वर्ड्स बोलने?
No, ma'am. I didn't get any coaching anywhere. It's the first time.
Okay. Next student. Next set of questions. Anybody from the GT group? I'd like to ask questions about job.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from GT.
Okay, Monica. Yeah. What work do you do?
Yeah, I'm working as an IT engineer in one of the reputed bank, which is Barclays Bank. It's one of the famous bank of United Kingdom and also located in Pune. So I'm currently working in Pune's Barclays Bank.
Okay. Monica, one of the is always followed by a plural. One of the popular banks known as
Okay.
Barclay Bank. One of the popular banks, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, बाकी बहुत अच्छा बोले. Why did you choose to do that type of work?
I prefer these kind of work because I have done engineering in IT and my designation over here is senior quality analyst. I work here as an automation and a software engineer. I do automate software. In engineering, I studied automation. That's why I prefer these kind of work.
This kind of work. Work is singular, singular this, plural these. But otherwise, you are answering very nicely. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job because I get all the different kind of opportunities where I can fulfill my desired dreams, which I dreamt from since I was a child.
Which
I
I
hear,
have dreamt, which I have dreamt since I was a child. Since के साथ have आएगा ना present perfect tense, ठीक है?
yeah.
Okay. Is it very interesting?
Yes, it's very fascinating because I get to interact with multiple people, not just in India but also abroad. It improves my communication skill and also help me develop different knowledge, which is automation and also manual testing.
Okay. It helps me. It also improves my. It के बाद हमेशा s वाला verb. Okay.
Okay.
Do you miss being a student?
Yes, I definitely miss being a student because during those time I used to get many opportunities to learn and many mentors and teachers used to interact me with the daily basis and teach me how to study and play around with my friends.
Okay. Monica, do you miss being a student? The better answer hota. Yes, I really miss being a student because they were so carefree days, no worries and tensions, only worrying about studies and nothing else. Now, when that I'm working, I have so much on my mind. Okay, I have to satisfy my clients, I have to look after my expenses. So there are, the stress level has gone up. You can say like that.
Okay.
When you are a student, you have no worries, right?
Yes,
Just
yes.
worrying about your studies, and that is it. So
Yeah.
otherwise, you answered very well. Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Next student, I would like to ask about studies. So any academic student.
Yes, I am, ma'am. Rupinder.
Rupinder, आपकी तो turn हो गई ना. I would like other students to come forward.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Baljeet ma'am.
Okay, Baljeet. What subjects are you studying?
Well, in my school time, I studied non-medical, and my favorite subject was physics because the first reason is that my physics teacher taught physics in a very interesting way, and I was really that's why I was really interested in the physics
Why
and.
did you choose to study those subjects?
Well, since my childhood, I was interested in the science, and
Since my childhood, I had been interested.
I had been interested in
हाँ,
the science
in
and
the science क्यों? The क्यों?
in science.
Hmm.
Oh, sorry, in science subject, and
You like, do
uh,
you, is this subject very interesting?
yes, of course, this subject is very interesting because um, we can like science revolves us. um,
Are you looking forward to working? पता है बलजीत, is it very interesting? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸੋਚੋ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਦਵਾਂ. I find it very interesting. I was so interested in all the theories, Newton's laws and other things. I used to really, find I could see physics in day-to-day things.
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
like
ये
that. Okay.
yes, ma'am. ये sentence ही बन
कुछ
रहा
भी
था.
बोलो, कुछ भी. I could see physics in day-to-day things. Okay. In anything
Yes.
I did, I could apply some physics principle. Okay. For example, if something fell from my hand, I would start thinking about gravity. Okay. If there was a magnet lying, I would start thinking about the magnetic,
Yes.
so like that, magnetism and all. So like that, you could say I was so interested in physics, I could see physics in all the simple things around me. Okay. ऐसे
Yes,
बोलो, कुछ
ma'am.
भी बोलो, कोई सिर पैर भी नहीं होए तो. मेरी एक स्टूडेंट को पता है, पूछा उन्होंने, she said presence of mind होनी चाहिए. They told her that photography पे थे questions, तो photography करते हो, so do you think it is better to learn this art or you can do it without learning? वो कहती है, पहले बोल देता, yes madam, I would like to learn this art, it would be better if I learn this art. उन्हें कहता why? ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਤਾਂ 3 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਫੜਾ ਦੋ, ਫੋਨ
Yes, ma'am.
ਉਹਨੇ ਫੋਟੋ ਖਿੱਚ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ. ਲਰਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ
Yes,
ਲੋੜ
ma'am.
ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਨਾ.
No, no.
ਅੱਛਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਿਆ why. ਹੁਣ why because she had said I would like to learn. ਹੁਣ why ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਵੀ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ. So
Yes.
you know what she said? Ma'am, if I learn photography, only then my hands will not tremble when I click photos. Otherwise, my hands will tremble. कुछ भी बोलता, 8.5 बैंड सी ਉਹਦੇ speaking it.
Yes.
They are not seeing at what answer, the justification of the answer. They are seeing whether you can speak English. That is it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you struggling for thinking of something to speak? Okay? उसको सोच रहे हो, मैं क्या बोलूं, इसका क्या बोलूं, कुछ भी बोलो. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But you must just speak. Okay? कुछ ऐसा टेक्निकल बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? You are looking into the technicality of your answer. Right?
Yes, ma'am. इसी वजह से हम भूल जाते हैं फिर last में.
Okay. Are you looking forward to working?
Well, recently I do not have any plan to work, but next year, because I have a 5 years old daughter, and there is nobody to look after her. But next year,
लाइट पै रही है. बोली दरवाजा बंद कर दो, वो बाहर आ जाएगा. बंद कर दो. हाँ जी.
well, currently I do not have any plan to work because I have a 5 years old daughter and there is nobody to looking after her. But
Nobody
next
to
year,
look after her.
But next year, when my in-laws will come here, then I would definitely prefer to work.
Very good.
Because I do not have any tension.
Do you prefer to study in the mornings or afternoons?
Well, most of the time I prefer to study in the morning because this is the time when I really feel fresh and I can concentrate on my work. And there is silence in the morning time as compared to the daytime. So definitely I would prefer to work in the morning.
Okay. See, Baljit, my question was, do you prefer to work in the mornings or afternoons? Okay. Mornings or afternoons. ये S का क्या मतलब है मेरे क्वेश्चन में?
मतलब मॉर्निंग्स में करते हो, मतलब डेली मतलब
हाँ, हर रोज सुबह पढ़ना पसंद करते हो कि हर दोपहर को पढ़ना पसंद करते हो? आपने आंसर में S लगाया ही नहीं. हाँ,
नोट ही नहीं किया मैंने.
नोट ही नहीं किया ना. हाँ, ये चीजें नोट करना, ये बहुत मैटर करती हैं because they go in the fluency. If you are not forgetting to put the S, that means you are fluent at English. आपको सुन रहा है मॉर्निंग्स, आपको सुन रहा है आफ्टरनून्स, और आपको पता है इस क्वेश्चन का इम्प्लीकेशन क्या है. इट डजंट रेफर टू जस्ट वन मॉर्निंग, इट रेफर्स टू ऑल मॉर्निंग्स.
यस,
ठीक है. सो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो कई बार आपको 7 से 7.5, 7.5 से 8 ऐसे ले जाती हैं. Okay. The next question is on home and accommodation. So I would like to have some other student here. Anybody else?
Ma'am, news.
Okay, Jaspreet, you would like to come?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you live in a house or a flat?
I am living in a house.
I am living. गलत English हो गई.
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छा मेरा क्वेश्चन सुनो. Do you live
Okay.
in a house or a flat? Do you?
I live
का आई
in
हो
a,
जाएगा. You का आई हो
I
जाएगा.
live,
हाँ.
yes, ma'am. I live in a flat. Sorry, house.
I live in a house. फिर house को describe करने लग जाओ. It is a two bedroom house. There is a kitchen. There is a front lawn. There is a back kitchen garden in the back. There is a garage. There is कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो. उन्होंने check नहीं करने आना.
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छा, कुछ भी describe
Okay.
कर देना अपने house को.
ठीक है, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So next question is, please describe it a little.
Okay, I have a small house. There are 2 bedrooms in my house, a kitchen, washroom, and drawing room.
Very good.
I like my house.
Very good. What's your favorite room in your home?
My bedroom is my favorite room in my house because I spend more time in my bedroom.
Okay, than any other room. More लगा दिया तो than भी लगा दो. Okay, you can also say my favorite room is my own room because I have decorated it according to my taste. Okay, it has all the things that I need. Okay, I like to spend time in my room. I have my study table here. When I study on my study table. Okay, like that you can go on and speak anything.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
have you done to your room to make it look nice? What have you done to your room to make it look nice?
Every year I change the curtains of my room,
Uh-huh.
and I use a dark full bed sheets to
You can say I have decorated my room. I have hung a painting which I made in my room on one wall. I have framed a family picture of my family, a family picture. I've got a family picture framed and put it on my one of the walls. I daily, decorate my room with fresh flowers. You can say like that. I place a bouquet of fresh flowers in my room. Okay, like that. You can always say anything like that.
Okay.
Who do you live with?
My family members live with me, my parents and my siblings.
Which room does your family spend most of the time in?
They spend most of the time in drawing room because there is a LCD and they watch the LCD and spend their lots of time there.
LCD से television बोलना better है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
How long have you lived there?
I lived here I lived there since my childhood, from birth.
Since my birth. पता है मेरा क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनो. अब आपको यहाँ सीखने को मिलेगा. मैंने जब आपको फॉर्मेट्स कराए थे, हैव वाला फॉर्मेट कराया था.
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने वो कराते हुए आपको बोला था कि हैव वाले फॉर्मेट की एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, और वो ये है कि जो हैव वाला फॉर्मेट है ना, हैव क्वेश्चन में है तो हैव आंसर में आना ही आना है. मैंने आपको बोला था. ये आ गए भाई साहब.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
इधर देखो. नॉटी. वो सब बुला रहे. से हेलो. हेलो बोलो. हेलो बोलो. हेलो बोलो.
Hi, not.
डर गया वो. लैपटॉप से डरता है. और ये नोरा है. उसको देख के नोरा को भी होश आ गया. चलो. How long have you lived there? I have lived there since my birth. Okay. When the question has a has or a have, the answer will have a has or a have. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
अगर क्वेश्चन में has have है, आंसर में होगा ही. ठीक है. How long have you lived there? I have lived there since my birth.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you plan to move?
No,
Do you plan to move from your hometown?
No, recently I have no plan to move from anywhere
Then why are you
because I
taking
am happy
IELTS?
here.
Why are you taking the IELTS? What would be a more practical answer?
Yes. इसमें आ गया कि yes,
I plan to move abroad for my higher
abroad.
education. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So like that. What's the difference between? Okay. What do you usually do in your house?
I do house chores in my house. I prepare dinner I prepare food for my family members.
Do you plan
And
to?
I study.
Okay. ये बाकी move गई है. ठीक है. Okay. Next student who would like to
Thank you,
come
ma'am.
and answer.
Ma'am, I will go.
Aman and Amandeep, two students have come forward. So first it's Aman. Aman, मुझे दिख नहीं रही. Amandeep, okay. Amandeep, you can come. Hometown. What's the name of your hometown?
The name of my hometown is Mohali, and we have recently shifted from Delhi to Chandigarh.
Okay. Is it a big city or a small place?
It is a semi-urban city where we can find everything around us, and all the amenities like school, hospitals are near to my place, and it's a very clean city.
Near के बाद टू ना लगाया करो. Near my place, and it's a very
Yeah.
clean city. And बाकी school, hospitals लिखा आपने. Schools, hospitals, you can say like that. Markets, everything is nearby. Okay. Please describe your hometown a little.
My hometown is very nicely built, and the very interesting thing here is like all the buildings are constructed in a similar way, and it seems there is a similarity, and most of the time we get all the things easily, such as grocery or any shopping malls, and everything is very close to our place.
Very good. Would you say it's an interesting place?
Yes, it is an interesting place because there are many clubs or any very instructing place, and there are very nice place to learn about the history in museum, and there are museum where we can learn different things.
आप
And
पता है
if you
क्या, आप ना वैसे बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, पर आप गलतियां पता है कैसी कर रहे हो. देयर आर प्लूरल के लिए आता है, आगे आप म्यूजियम बोल रहे हो, एस नहीं लगा रहे हो. तो ये बातें ना फ्लुएंसी, ये जो चीजें हैं, ये फिर थोड़ी ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स में आ जाती हैं.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You can
Yes.
say, पता है आप एक ना अच्छा आंसर सोचने के चक्कर में आपकी ये गलतियां हो रही हैं.
right.
अच्छा आंसर नहीं सोचोगे ना, आप सिंपल इंग्लिश बोलो. आप ये
Okay.
सोचो एग्जामिनर नहीं आपसे पूछ रहा, आपकी फ्रेंड पूछ रही है आपसे. Would you say it's an interesting place? Yes, it is a very interesting place. We can go out daily. There are so many places where we can eat out. There are regularly exhibitions are held in my town. You can say it's a beautiful place. It's just near Chandigarh, which is the capital city of Punjab. Okay. You can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
like that. It is not just the capital of Punjab, it's a union territory as well. It's the capital of Punjab as well as Haryana. Okay. And
Yes,
Mohali
ma'am.
is just, within Chandigarh only, you can say it's so near, right?
Yes.
You
Yes,
can say things like that. Okay. What do you
Yes.
like most about your hometown?
The best part of my hometown is the cleanliness, because it is all around with greenery, and it's a pollution-free city. And my neighbors are very good. They are very helping, and I spend some time with them. And I really feel like living here.
Okay. अब आपने ना, अब आप मेरी बात सुनो. आपने जब आप सिंपल बोलते हो ना, अमन, जब आप सिंपल बोलते हो आपकी गलतियां कम आती हैं. आपकी स्पीकिंग जो आराम से 8 बैंड जाने वाली है. इंट्रो सेट्स में सबको, आप सब बच्चों को गाइड कर रही हूँ, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. बच्चे ना क्यू कार्ड्स पे सारा जोर लगा देते हैं, रट्टे मारने पे उनको या अच्छे से करने पे, और फॉलोअप्स पे भी जोर लगाते हैं. इंट्रो सेट्स को बोल ही लेंगे, 1-2 लाइनें बोलनी है. ऐसे होता है? सही बोल रही हूँ? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
आपको मैं ये हिंट दे रही हूँ कि अगर जैसे आप अमन है, अमन आपने अभी आंसर्स किए, अगर आपने ये क्वेश्चंस थोड़े प्रैक्टिस किए होते उस वे में, जैसे आप क्यू कार्ड्स को टाइम देके प्रैक्टिस करते हो, आपको सोचने नहीं पड़ते आंसर्स, फ्लुएंटली आपके आंसर्स निकल. आपको पता है अच्छा ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, ये बोलना है मुझे.
Right. मैम अभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करा एक्चुअली.
नहीं करा ना आपने इंट्रो
नहीं.
सेट्स की. इंट्रो
Yes.
सेट्स को इम्पोर्टेंस दो.
Okay.
बिलीव मी, आप किसी के 7 से कम नहीं आएंगे अगर आप इंट्रो सेट्स को रोज प्रैक्टिस करोगे.
Sure, ma'am. Will definitely do.
हाँ, इंट्रो सेट्स आर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, मोस्ट
Yes, ma'am.
इम्पोर्टेंट. क्योंकि देखो, इन्होंने आपकी स्पीकिंग का बेस बनाना है. एग्जामिनर के जो हेड में एक लेबल लग जाना है, ये स्टूडेंट बहुत अच्छा है बिकॉज ऑफ योर इंट्रो सेट्स. थोड़ा सा फंबल कर जाओगे क्यू कार्ड में, थोड़ा सा फॉलो अप में, it will not affect your score much.
Okay.
Intro sets go weak, और बाकी आप अपनी तरफ से 8 बैंड का भी कराओ तो भी टोटल 6 या 6.5 ही आएंगे. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Intro sets को importance दो. That is what. Okay. So who
Yes.
is going to? अच्छा, 1-2 questions रह गए. Did your friends also grow up in the same place as you?
No, as I mentioned that I've recently shifted from Delhi to Mohali, and I've spent my childhood in Delhi. So most of my friends are in Delhi.
Okay. What do you like to? Would you like to live in Mohali in the future?
No, since I'm working also, so I'll be moving to Gurgaon, and I'm looking for opportunity in abroad. And once I get my student visa, so I'm planning for the higher studies.
So I'm looking for opportunities in abroad. Abroad एक word है जिसके साथ कोई preposition नहीं आता. I'm looking
Okay.
for opportunities abroad, not in abroad.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next student who would like to
Ma'am.
come forward.
Ma'am,
Hansi?
Aman.
Aman. Do you like talking to people?
Yes, I consider myself social person, so I always trying to socialize with strangers because I love to talking with them and get to know about the culture and language as well as tradition. So I love to talking with people.
Love to के बाद कौन सा form of verb आता है हमेशा?
Love to
Always after to. Which form of verb?
First from
First form. Love to talk. आपने दो बार बोल दिया love to talking. I love talking. अगर love के बाद सीधा बोलना है, I love talking या I love to talk. आ गया समझ? जल्दी. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you like spending time with your friends?
likes to spend my time with my friends in various way. Like I go out for eat with my friends. I do shopping.
You can say I do various things with many things with my friends. We eat out, we go out for walks. You can say we even sometimes go for shopping together. We watch movies together. We even study together at times. Sometimes my friend comes over to my house. Sometimes I go to her house. Okay, like that you can say. Would you prefer to study alone or with others? Do you prefer to होना चाहिए? Do you prefer to study alone or with others? बोलो. अमन, आप muted हो. Okay, any other student who would like to come forward? Next set of questions is there.
Yes, ma'am, I want to speak.
Who is that? Neha.
Neha.
Okay, Neha.
Yes.
What's your favorite animal and why?
Well, I would say that I'm a zoophobia person and I just stay away from all kinds of animal and
All kinds of animal ke animals.
all kind of animals.
All kinds of animals. Plural आएगा
Yes.
ना?
Yes.
हाँ.
And if I have to select one, I would say I consider dogs are very cute, and like this is the topic I don't speak much because I just stay away from all animals.
आप एग्जामिनर को नहीं बोल सकते हो.
Yes.
आप ना आपके एग्जामिनर ने आपके नेबर से या आपके घर वालों से पूछने नहीं आना इसने मुझे झूठ बोला है कि सही बोला है. तो आप इसके आंसर्स प्रिपेयर कर लो आपको कि क्या बोलने हैं अगर वहां पूछे जाएं.
मैम 2-3 टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें मैं जैसे आर्ट एग्जीबिशन हो गया, एनिमल्स हो गया, इस पे मैंने अभी कुछ प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है और मैं
प्रिपेयर नहीं करना होता, बस आपको थोड़ा सा सोचना है कि आपको ये आ गया पूछ लिया तो आपने क्या बोलना है. ठीक है. हाँ. तो ऐसा थोड़ी है कुछ, ये रॉकेट साइंस वाली बात थोड़ी है. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is the dog. They are friendly, adorable, entertaining. They make very good companions. always loyal. They are always loyal to their owners. I have a pet. I just love my pet. Okay. I never feel alone at home because my pet is always by my side. Okay.
Okay.
What is the most popular animal in your country?
Popular animal, I think, मैम ये टॉपिक मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगी इसमें, आप
अरे
टॉपिक चेंज कर
आप
लो।
अपने आपकी कंट्री का नेशनल एनिमल कौन सा?
Lion is the national
Oh my
animal of
God. What's
tiger? Tiger is peacock is national bird. मैम आपने टॉपिक ऐसा ले लिया, मैं मुझे भागना
आप अब अच्छा आप मुझे ये बताओ 14,700 फीस पे करके आप बाहर आके एग्जामिनेशन हॉल से बाहर आके ये बोलोगे कि टॉपिक ही ऐसा आ गया इसलिए मेरे तो गए 14,700।
नहीं मैम, तब तक
तो
रेडी कर लूंगी मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें,
प्रिपेयर
ऐसे टॉपिक में थोड़ा सा हाँ स्टोरीज बनानी पड़ेंगी ऐसे टॉपिक्स पे थोड़े से।
थोड़ा कुछ भी बोल दो। See, I am very fascinated by the elephant. It's the largest land animal. Okay, it's harmless otherwise, unless of course it has gone mad. Otherwise it's harmless. आप हमारे घर के बाहर कल परसों कोई हाथी वाला आ गया, बैल करके बोलता है मैडम कुछ दे दो, हाथी है। मैं कहा अच्छा चलो, मतलब एनिमल्स के लिए। अब हाथी इतना बड़ा एनिमल है, वैसे ही उसकी मैग्निफिशेंस देख के ही बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। फिर आप मूवीज में तो देखते हो एनिमल्स को, आप किसी भी एनिमल के बारे में बोल सकते हो।
मैम
See, you can say I have phobia of animals, but I love watching them on TV. टीवी पे आपका क्या कर लेगा एनिमल? ठीक है। You can say I'm even fascinated by the snakes.
Aman is back. Aman is saying something.
हाँ अमन आए। ओके अमन क्या हो गया था, कहाँ चले गए थे?
मैम कनेक्शन कट गया, सॉरी मैम।
ओके कोई बात नहीं। ओके चलो आप ये वाले एनिमल्स के 2 आंसर्स आप दे दो। Have you ever had a pet? Have you ever had a pet before?
Yes, I had a pet in my life. That was a cat pet and dog pet. And
cat pet and dog pet नहीं बोलना चाहिए, pet थोड़ी लगाना उसके साथ। Yes, I had a pet. I had a cat and a dog. Okay? हाँ। अच्छा cat and dog आपने इकट्ठे रखे हुए थे?
Yes, ma'am. When I was start my English classes, after that I did not get opportunity to cap them again. I was busy with my study.
अरे पेट को दोबारा थोड़ी रखना होता है, जो आपके घर में है तो है, आप निकाल दोगे कि अब मैंने इंग्लिश की पढ़ाई कर दी, अब आप निकल जाओ मेरे घर से।
नहीं फिर मैम हमने किसी को दे दिए।
ओके सो यू कैन से हाय। अच्छा एनीवेज मैं नहीं इमेजिन कर सकती किसी को दिए जा सकते हैं एक बार रखने के बाद, बट एनीवेज आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो यस आई हैड अ पेट व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड, आई हैड अ कैट। ओके it used to come and I used to feed it milk every morning and evening. Okay and I used to pet it also मतलब उसकी पीठ पे ऐसे हाथ मलना, डॉग्स को पेट करते हो, कैट्स को पेट कर सकते हो, ठीक है। so I used to pet it also. I had a pet. Okay where do you prefer to keep your pet, indoors or outdoors?
It's depend on the cat breed.
अच्छा अभी देखो अभी आपने क्या बोला, शुरू करो दोबारा, शोर आ गया था बीच में।
It's depend.
अब आप सारे जने ये बात ध्यान से सुनो, इट्स डिपेंड एक बार भी आपने बोल दिया ना तो 5.5 बैंड गारंटीड है। इट्स डिपेंड रॉन्ग इंग्लिश है, आप में से कोई करेक्ट करेगा इसको?
It depends.
इट डिपेंड्स होता है,
It depends.
होता है, इट्स डिपेंड नहीं होता। एस की जगह आपने गलत लगाई है।
ओके मैम।
ओके और ये इट्स डिपेंड इज अ साइन ऑफ वेरी वीक इंग्लिश इन स्पीकिंग। ओके हाँ इट्स डिपेंड नहीं बोलना, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इट्स डिपेंड। इट्स डिपेंड इज रॉन्ग इंग्लिश, तो क्या बोलोगे आप?
It depends.
इट डिपेंड अगर इट्स डिपेंड 5.5 बैंड है, 5 बैंड है तो इट डिपेंड भी 5.5 ही है। क्या है करेक्ट?
It depends.
हाँ इट डिपेंड्स, इट के बाद जो वर्ड आएगा उसके साथ एस आएगा, Okay, it depends. ठीक है, it depends. चलो, अब बोलो आंसर. Where do you prefer to keep your pets, indoors or outdoors?
It depends on breed.
अरे अपने आप के पेट की बात हो रही है. आप अपने पेट को कहाँ रखना पसंद करते हो?
I like to keep my pet inside and
Indoors, because it is a small breed. It cannot be left outside. Okay,
okay.
you can say I prefer to keep my pet indoors. चलो बड़ी भी breed हो, कई लोग indoors ही रखते हैं उनको. ठीक है. Headphones पे अगले questions. Who's going to come next for answering? Janil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, but मेरा थोड़ा like movement problem a bit, so I thought you move to it.
मेरे को सुना नहीं आपने क्या बोला है. Okay, Yash Patel, Nikhil Rana.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Yash. Okay. Do you use headphones?
Yes, I use headphones every day. I bought I recently bought new headphones from mall.
From a mall. Okay. आप new headphones बोलने तो उसकी brand भी बोल सकते हो. Okay. What type of headphones do you use?
I use True Wireless headphones and and there are also noise cancellation features in my headphones. So it's very convenient for me. So
Okay.
I
When do you use headphones?
I use headphones when while I'm studying or watch movies or
While I'm
watch
studying or watching. जब आपने ing form से sentence शुरू कर दिया, सारे में ing लेके जाओ. I use headphones while studying, while watching TV. Like सारा ing करो. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In what conditions you do not use headphones?
I do not use headphones while I'm driving or when I'm while I'm driving and especially on public travels in a bike.
तो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट वगैरह में तो आप हेडफोन्स लगा सकते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो चलो
So,
एनीवेज
bike.
ओके, वेरी वेल स्पोकन यश, अच्छा बोला आपने. ओके, गुड. Who is going to answer next set of questions on shoes?
Me, Amir.
Amir, do you like buying shoes?
Yes, ma'am. I really fond to buying new shoes.
I am really
Updating.
fond of buying. To buying.
I'm really fond of buying new shoes.
I really nahi, I am really fond
okay,
of
ma'am.
buying shoes. Okay. How often do you buy a new pair of shoes?
After 6 months, I willing to buy new shoes because
Willing तो क्वेश्चन में ही नहीं है. आपने फॉर्मेट्स वाली क्लास लगाई आमिर? सच बताना.
No, ma'am.
नहीं लगाई. आज बैठ के ना YouTube पे पब्लिक है वो वीडियो, फॉर्मेट्स का वीडियो देखना. हाउ ऑफन क्वेश्चन मेरा पहला फॉर्मेट है जो मैंने प्रिपेयर करा है. एंड यू नो इट प्रूव्स द फैक्ट कि अगर आप वो क्लास लगा लोगे ना, आपके क्वेश्चन सही जाएंगे. ओके, यू विल बी एबल टू पिक द आंसर्स करेक्टली. बाकी सब जिन बच्चों ने लगाई है, आपको समझ आ रहा है हाउ ऑफन के कैसे क्वेश्चन सेम आ जाते हैं? फॉर्मेट करने का कितना फायदा है. ठीक है. हाउ ऑफन डू यू बाय अ न्यू पेयर ऑफ शूज? I buy a new pair of shoes every 6 months. Answer correct था. Okay. Yeah,
okay.
I buy a new pair of shoes once or twice a year. ठीक है, या once or twice in 6 months. सारे आंसर्स उसमें कराए हुए हैं. And how to pick up the answer, वही format है. Okay. And if you will not pick it up correctly, then there will be irreparable damage to your band score.
Okay.
Irreparable का क्या मतलब है?
Unexpected.
No.
Not balancing like.
No. Irreparable. अच्छा आप मुझे
कभी ना
बताओ रिपेयर का क्या मतलब है? रिपेयर
मैम रिपेयर चीजों को सही करना, लाइक
जो रिपेयर हो सके, रिपेयर
यस
हाँ जो सही हो जाए। इन रिपेयर,
जो
जो सही
रिपेयर
है।
हो ही नहीं
अच्छा
सकता।
रिपेयरेबल का क्या मतलब है? रिपेयरेबल,
हाँ
मैम
ठीक है।
रिपेयर हो सकता है
हम
जो
इसको
जिसे
हाँ
ठीक
रिकवर
किया
कर
जा
सकते
और
हैं।
अगर इरिपेयरेबल क्या होता है?
वो ठीक ही नहीं हो सकता।
हाँ तो इरिपेयरेबल डैमेज हो जाएगा। तो
ओके
फॉर्मेट्स के 2-3 क्लासेस लिए हैं मैंने इस साल में। आप फॉर्मेट्स की सारी फॉर्मेट्स की जो वीडियोस हैं पब्लिक पड़ी हैं यूट्यूब पे, मेरे यूट्यूब पे, आप उन सबको वॉच करो एक एक करके। यू विल लर्न, आई एम टेलिंग यू। ओके,
श्योर मैम।
इट विल improve योर इंट्रो सेट्स। ओके, अच्छा चलो अगला क्वेश्चन। हैव यू एवर बॉट शूज ऑनलाइन?
Yeah, ma'am. I recently bought shoes from e-commerce site,
Okay,
and
okay. Now listen. Have you ever is also there in my formats. बाकी बच्चे जिन्होंने formats लगाए हैं आपको पता है have you ever है उसमें?
यस मैम।
और have you ever के आंसर में मैंने आपको क्या सिखाया है कि अगर आपका have है क्वेश्चन में तो आंसर में क्या होगा? have आएगा ही
I
आएगा।
have recently bought.
ठीक है, आपने have नहीं लगाया आमिर।
Yes, ma'am.
See, the formats are really going to help you. Have you ever bought shoes online? Yes, I have bought shoes online many times. In fact, recently I ordered one pair from Amazon.in. आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो, e-commerce साइट बोलने से आप नाम बोल दो, मिंत्रा और कितने हैं नाम, कुछ भी बोल दो,
Yes, ma'am.
फ्लिपकार्ट। ओके, how much money do you usually spend on clothes, on shoes?
On shoes, ma'am.
सर नहीं है, श है, श बोलो
Sir.
ना, श, shoes.
Sure.
हाँ,
Shoes.
yes. Okay, how much
Shoes.
money do
Okay.
you usually spend on shoes?
Uh, uh, I.
सुना नहीं, दोबारा बोलो। How much money do you usually spend on shoes? Amir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How much money do you usually spend on shoes?
I have usually use about
अच्छा,
50.
आपके आंसर में have क्यों आया? मेरे क्वेश्चन में तो have है नहीं। How much money do you usually spend on shoes? I usually spend 2,000 to 3,000 a month on shoes. Okay, or whenever I go and buy, you know what I would answer personally, that I don't buy many shoes. I buy just a pair or two in a year, and whenever I buy something which is very, very comfortable and durable, and that is why I don't look into the money. I usually spend around 8 to 10,000 on a pair of shoes, but they have to be very comfortable. Okay, and
Okay.
they have to be shoes in which I can walk for hours and not feel tired. Okay, तो मैं
Okay,
अपना
ma'am.
आंसर ऐसे दूंगी क्योंकि मैं ऐसे करती हूँ। Okay, I don't go and buy any good looking shoes just for no reason. I wear it and I see if it is comfortable and I know I'll wear it, only then I buy, otherwise I don't. And when I buy, I don't look into the cost. Okay, so because I
ma'am.
know that I'll be wearing that pair. कपड़े तो आप रोज चेंज करोगे ना, शूज तो आपने एक पेयर या दो पेयर साल में चलाने हैं, तो यू मस्ट, then I don't think about the cost. Then I think that if I can wear it, then I just buy it. Okay, आप ऐसा आंसर दे सकते हो या आप ऐसा आंसर दे सकते हो, I don't like to go for costly shoes because I like to wear new designs every now and then. So I buy just a pair of shoes which are very, very economical and not heavy on my pocket, so that I can, without any feeling of guilt, buy another pair of shoes after a month or two. ऐसे बोल सकते हो, कुछ भी आंसर दे सकते हो।
Okay, ma'am.
So like that you can say. अब अगर उस दिन मैं देख रही थी शूज ही बड़े महंगे हो गए, मुझे पसंद आया, it was 12,000, मैंने लिया नहीं, वो अलग बात है, पर 12,000 का शूज, अब 12,000 का शूज तो फिर नेचुरली मैं तो अगर लूंगी तो मैं सोचूंगी बस इसी को पहनती रहूं। ठीक है, और तो that is very difficult. You know, once my friend went to her friend's house, another friend's house, and उनके घर में ना एक कालीन बिछा हुआ था. So that lady says that this carpet is for 1 lakh. This is a this Persian carpet. So my friend was sitting on her bed. So she says that मैं immediately bed से jump करके ना I went and sat on the carpet. तो मेरी friend कहती है क्या कर रही है? कहती और क्या, बेड तो तेरा सस्ता है, मैं महंगे वाले कारपेट पे आके बैठी हूँ. तो ये भी है, मतलब just as a humor, adding some humor to the class, but that's it. So shoes पे आप कुछ भी आंसर दे सकते हो. I like to spend 2,000 to 3,000 on shoes. Okay, like that. I always buy my shoes from sales, you can say. Then I can get something which is very good at a much less price. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
What do you prefer? Fashionable shoes or comfortable shoes? Now answer this question.
I prefer to wear fashionable shoes. I really like to wear Nike shoes. So Nike Nike produce very fashionable shoes. So yeah, I like
You can
to.
say which are also very comfortable. Okay,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
shoes are fashionable and they are also very comfortable. Okay, next set of questions. Who would like to answer? Nobody?
मैं नर्वस क्यों हो रहा था, लाइक यहाँ पे स्पीक करना फर्स्ट टाइम मैं कर रहा हूँ. वैसे
तो
मेरी
करने-
स्पीकिंग ठीक ठाक है मैम. 6.5 मेरे को मिलता है हमेशा.
6.5 नहीं आमिर, आप 7.5 वाले स्टूडेंट हो. मैं तो आपको इससे बेटर रेट कर रही थी. तो आप अपने ये फॉर्मेट्स वगैरह अच्छे से कर लो, आपके 7.5 से कम नहीं आ सकते.
ओके मैम, पता नहीं यहाँ बोल नहीं पा रहा था. वैसे
नहीं,
मॉक में 6.5 मिला था लास्ट टाइम.
नहीं, 6.5 आपके लिए नहीं है. ओके,
ओके
यू कैन
ओके
स्पीक वेल, बट आप जो ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स कर रहे हो ना, वो फॉर्मेट्स की क्लास में आपकी चली जाएंगी.
ओके ओके मैम.
Watch all the 3-4 videos on formats. Okay,
ओके मैम, श्योर.
we'll learn from them and definitely मेरे को बताना अपना इस बार रिजल्ट आए तो 7.5 से कम नहीं आएंगे स्पीकिंग में.
श्योर मैम.
Okay, हाँ,
थैंक यू मैम.
6.5 नहीं हो आप, 6.5 से ऊपर है आपकी स्पीकिंग. इसीलिए आई होगी कि आप ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स कर रहे हो, और तेज बोलने से ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स एग्जामिनर ज्यादा पकड़ते हैं. जो बच्चे तेज बोलते हैं सोच के कि एग्जामिनर को पता नहीं चलेगा, वो गलत सोचते हैं. ओके,
यस मैम.
हाँ, वो ऐसे नहीं है. अपना पेश कामनेस से बोलो, ज्यादा तेज बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, where we can use I or I am?
I am या I? अब ये तो क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करता है ना. What are you doing? I am studying. वहाँ am आएगा.
Okay.
Okay. Where are you going? I'm going to the market.
Ma'am, let's say, are
What do
you
you
tidy
do?
person?
What do you do? I study. वहाँ am नहीं आएगा. Am, अच्छा, is am are जहाँ आएगा ना, उसके बाद या तो ing form आएगा या passive voice आएगी. Third form of verb आएगा. First form of verb के पहले am नहीं आएगा. I am study is wrong. Okay. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. तो ठीक है, फिर मैं क्लास कंक्लूड करती हूँ, अगर किसी और ने आंसर्स ही नहीं देने हैं तो.
मैम,
यस
मैम, this is Diksha. May I speak?
Yes, of course, why not? Would you like to play in a public garden or park?
I would like to play in public garden over a park because public garden has many facilities than a park. I can also opt for a open gym in the park.
Okay, what do you like to do when visiting a park?
I generally love to do open gym exercise in open gym because it is very beneficial for our health. Also, it keeps us healthy and refresh our mind.
It है ना, it keeps us healthy, it refreshes our mind.
Okay, ma'am.
के बाद जितने भी verbs लगाओगे सब में S या ES आएगा. Okay.
Okay.
How have parks changed today compared to the time when you were a kid, when you were a child? Okay.
I remember when I was a kid, I used to go with my mom to have a walk or to play in park. And in those times, a park were not well maintained, just like now. Also, the facilities.
Just like now, nahi, unlike now. Today, the
Unlike
parks are very well maintained. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. unlike now.
Yes, unlike the present. Would you prefer to play in a personal garden or a public garden?
It depends. If I'm playing with my friends, I would like to go for personal garden, or if I'm alone, then I'll go for a public garden because I can see many people there and I can enjoy children's playing over there.
Children's नहीं होता.
Sorry, children. Yes, right.
Very good.
वो भूल जाती हूँ मैं हर बार children होता है.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटे. Very nice. ठीक है? हाँ. Okay,
Thank you.
then I am concluding today's class. I'll see you tomorrow. First, we'll have a class on reading one passage, reading 47, passage 1. Okay. जिनके पास नहीं है वो मुझे message कर दे. I'll put in that group. Reading दोबारा share कर दूंगी. But I shared it on Sunday कि मैं इस हफ्ते ये discuss करने वाली हूँ. जो बाद में join हुए हैं, they can ask in the group. I'll share the reading so that tomorrow and day after we have to discuss reading 47. Okay. Okay then, and after that we'll have a class on essay discussions. So you can also, send me if any special essay you would like me to discuss. Otherwise, I'll go with my choice of essays. Okay. Fine. And I'll be for my class will be pointed at the freshers also. So they'll come to know all the types of essays that are there and how to handle them. Okay. See you tomorrow then. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.